Hello everyone, Sakshit this side, and I would like to share my experience regarding the data analytics course, which I pursued from 30 days of coding. So the course was really amazing, to be honest, and I found it very detailed, explained, and the course was really well explained and has many good features. Also, the main feature which I liked regarding the course was the lifetime access, which I think is the really beneficial thing for everyone, and you can learn again and again and again multiple times if you want to. So yeah, this was my experience regarding 30 days of coding, and yeah, it was really nice course, and that also the support team was really helpful. So yeah, this was my experience for 30 days of coding, and I wish you guys a good luck. Thank you.